sign here. Young lady, it's well.
Thanks.
You are free.
Thank you, sir.
You can go.
Yes.
Officer,
Sir.
she's free. She can go now. Please, this her fine. Go along with it. Alright, take care, eh? Bye.
My darling.
My sweetheart.
You're welcome. I'm so happy to have you back.
Yes.
So tell me, how was your trip?
Fantastic.
Father, we thank you.
Oh, the Lord is good.
All the time.
Hey, you know our GO is a man of honor and integrity.
What did you expect from a true man of God?
Our GO is actually very blessed by God.
I know.
Thank God I was nominated for the seminar.
Really?
Oh, yes. I have a lot to tell you, okay? Let me pick my bag. We go inside and I'll tell you a lot.
Well, I can't wait for you to give me all the rest of the gist, so I am waiting inside. Just a minute.
Let me with this.
You're welcome.
I love this car.
You to get invested.
It's so nice to be home.
What is keeping my husband? He called me 2 hours ago that they were almost close. They ought to have arrived by now. And he's not picking his calls. Oh, I hope all is well. Eh? Oh, his driver is calling me. Hello? Yes, this is Queen Victoria. What? Which hospital? Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. I knew it. I knew something is wrong.
Thank God. Thank God that I met you here. I was going to your house.
Is there anything the problem?
No, nothing is the problem. But something happened in my house this morning. Teresa's daughter visited me.
Which Teresa are you talking about?
My late brother's wife now.
Huh? How did she escape from the prison?
She did not escape from the prison. She told me that the state government granted her pardon.
Hey, that is a lie. Why didn't you allow the youth to apprehend her?
She told me that her mother is dead, so I decided to let her go.
Teresa dead?
Yes.
Well, she has finally reaped the fruit of her labor.
No, the fruit of her evil deed. That's what she reaped.
You're correct. But our daughter will not go unpunished. We have to alert the youth to get her arrested.
I agree. I agree. We must do so. So let's go.
Yes.
Hey, wait, my friend. Let's go.
Up till now, The police have not come up with any positive result in their investigation. My husband cannot be killed just like that. His killers must be fished out and brought to book.
Wait till Your Majesty.
Is my son back?
No, Your Majesty. Some policemen are here to see you.
What for? I am tired of answering questions. I want my husband's killers fished out. What have I not told them that they needed to know?
Your Majesty, I suggest you see them and know why they are here.
Go.
I just pray that the youths are able to apprehend that girl and bring her here. What I will do to her, she will never forget throughout her lifetime.
Iweka, if you are speaking in this manner, what about myself? Who, both herself and my mother, rendered my brother's life useless? Well, I would not like to say anything. Let me remain cool and calm till the youth bundle her here. Then I will look at her eyeball to eyeball and tell her there will no miracle that will save her this time around. No miracle will save her.
Let us just keep our fingers crossed. What a man wants to do is in his heart. Let them bring her here. I will deal with her.
Nothing, ma. Please, ma, I'm hungry, ma.
You're hungry. And how is that my business? Do you think I run charity organization here?
No, it's just, I don't have any place to go. I'm very hungry. I just said, let me beg.
Who are you?
Nobody, ma. Nobody, ma. My name is just Stella.
Where are your parents?
Oh, no, I'm an orphan, ma. I'm homeless. I just want something to eat, ma, please.
Sweetheart, there's something I've been meaning to ask you.
What?
Those beggars at the entrance of our church. There's something strange about them.
What exactly?
Are you sure they are truly blind?
How do you mean? Do you know any of them?
I don't, but
what?
Look, something tells me that they are not truly blind. Particularly that one, the other one,
the fair one.
Yes. You know, wearing that cap. Something tells me he's not really blind, my lord.
This is how you talk all the time. Eh? Is that the reason you don't give them money?
Maybe.
But I don't think that should matter. For the fact that they are there as beggars, We are Christians. You just need to bless them.
It's okay. I still have this strong feeling that that particular man is not truly blind.
Maybe when next I am to give them anything, I will really pay attention and take a good look at it.
Oh, why do you have to pay attention?
What do you want me to say?
You said we should just give. So, whether he's blind or not.
Because you'll be hitting on it now.
Are you attacking me?
I'm tired. I'm tired. Let's just sit one place and rest.
Sit where? Let's keep going.
Going to where? I am holding this stick, directing you. At the same time, carrying this umbrella. Don't you know it's heavy? Now let's sit down. I'm tired.
Where is this place now?
Around Solo Junction.
We're close to Okweke Junction now. Let's just go there and rest. Find one shade there and stay. We can't be. Let's just keep going.
See, guy, I am tired. Let's sit somewhere. I can't continue. Let's sit down. Come and sit down here.
Where is this stupid girl? Why would she leave everything like this? Who even ate the rice in that pot? Stella!
Who is this stupid person that we now have in this store? I don't even know who the person is. Is he a person or animal?
I'm talking of Stella and stop asking me silly questions.
What did she do?
Go there and see the kitchen. See how she left it unkept. The whole place is there, dirty. She even ate the rice I kept in the pot without my notice.
Well, just take it easy. If it is Stella that I have watched cleaning from table to seat to the floor, can't you see how clean this place is? Or will she kill herself?
Why would she do it? Did I not employ her to serve me? Is she not my servant? When she came here, she was begging me she wants to work. I allowed her. Now see what she's doing. She's just lazying around doing nothing.
Because she came to beg you for employment and you allowed her to work for you and she is serving you. You now want her to die serving you, so she will die in active service. Ngwajia me pepper soup. Use and do pepper soup and serve the customers. You hear?
I am watching you. I am watching you because I don't know why you are supporting this girl. You must be admiring her somehow. And don't worry, soon I will catch you. And then I will catch you. You will sorry for yourself. You will sorry for yourself.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you, Majesty.
So how is it?
She's fine. She sent her regards.
My regards to her.
Yes, I'll give her your message.
It's good to have you. Oh, Amara. You're here. You remember the lady I told you last night? Rita. This is Rita. Rita?
Yes, Your Highness.
This is my daughter, Princess Amara.
Oh, greetings, my princess.
You're welcome. Mother, please excuse me.
It's fine. Come on, it's okay. Go ahead and drink.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Everybody has good plans for him or herself.
I must confess that you are so beautiful.
Sir, please, can you stop coming here to say this thing you are saying? Because I don't...
Never mind. Where is my wife, your madam?
In the direction of their dreams.
I heard you. I heard what you just said to her now.
Are you sure you heard me well? I was only admiring her hard work, or saying she's doing it beautifully well, and asked about you before you walked in.
I heard you loud and clear. You told her that she's beautiful. How can you be telling my servant she's beautiful? And you, let me tell you, I will not stand here and watch you in my house. You are leaving this place right now and this minute.
No, ma, I was just washing the plate when he came and said, I'm working hard and that I'm fine.
You are fine. What has fine got to do with this? And you're a shameless man. Don't worry, I'm coming back.
Look at what my wife is doing to me. Is this an embarrassment? How can you be pointing at me in the presence of your house girl? This is too bad. I said she is doing her work beautifully well, and you are telling me that I'm admiring her. Eh? This woman. Their choice. What was the meaning of that insult that you gave me there? How could you belittle me, your husband, before that lady?
You can show you don't have shame. But let me promise you this. I must make sure I send that stupid girl out of this shop.
How would you send a girl that did nothing out of the shop? Why would you send her away? Come to again.
Can you swear you did not tell her what I heard? Swear and say you will die like a chicken.
Choice, you are still saying that you heard what I said when I was only telling her that she is doing her work beautifully well. Come to again. If I admired her, did I do anything wrong? Did I?
Why would you admire her? Is she your wife? Is she your daughter? Is she your sister? That is to show how shameless you are. How shameless you are, and you're a disappointment to me, Vita. See,
I am not saying you should not drive her away. Besides, I don't have any business with her. So if you like, bundle her. It's your own business and it's your own choice.
Look at you, shameless fool. Shameless fool, you are a disgrace. You are a disgrace. And I will never forgive you for this thing you have done to me. I will never in fact, let me go and pick her things.
Your brother should be very, very careful with me. I am his mother. And he must marry the woman I've chosen for him.
Mother, you have no reason to be angry with my brother. He has every right to make a choice of a woman.
And I disagree with that. Oh, gosh. Your brother knows nothing about marriage. That is the reason I have chosen a wife for him.
You know, Mother, personally, I do not like that girl. She will not be my brother's wife. Allow my brother to make a choice of his own, Mother.
Oh, shut up. Don't ever utter that nonsense again. Is that clear?
Yes, Mother.
Leave my shop, please. Hold this thing and leave here. Get out of this place. I cannot stand here and watch you take my husband from me or whatever. I don't want to do.
Auntie, ask me to answer him.
I said leave this place.
Please, let me even explain. I was on my own. Therefore, yesterday they said
I don't want to hear. Leave my shop. Leave me. I said leave before I hit this thing on you. Leave my shop. Did they send you to me? Leave my shop. Useless man. You are the only one that can see something that is beautiful. Only you! Useless man!
Greetings, my princess. I'm here to see the queen.
She's in her room.
Alright.
Hey, Rita.
Yes.
Hold on. Listen. I will advise you to stop wasting your time. I believe my mother has not told you yet. Listen, my brother will not marry you. He has made it clear to my mom. So please, my darling, have a rethink. Do you understand? For your own good. Excuse me.
My queen, how are you? I'm fine. Why are you standing here?
Hope there's no problem.
No, not at all. You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you, my queen.
So, how are you?
I'm fine, my queen.
I can see that. You look beautiful.
My queen, please stop.
You're welcome.
Hey!
Can you just come, please?
I'm late for service. Thank you.
Che, you could have allowed me to talk to her.
I wanted to approach her first then and direct her to you now. Is it not the same thing?
She's not that kind of a patient person, and that is not the kind of person we need.
Chikero wakanoma mawatumogu obochiboroma zinuru.
Please, hurry up, let's go. We are late, hurry up. Why are you looking like this?
My love, I'm bothered. I don't know why I keep having this feeling that something bad is about to happen to us.
Come on. That is the work of the enemy. Once you have that kind of feeling, just pray about it. Please push that devilish thought out of your mind, okay? Don't worry, we'll pray as we're going, all right?
Let's go. It's okay if you say so. Let's go.
Sorry.
Why are you two disturbing me? I don't understand.
Please,
I don't know. Let me have some.
Sister, hey, are you sure this is going to work? This thing is getting too difficult.
It will. All we need is to be patient. I believe the right person will come someday. This is the place I saw in my dream. So my dream always come to pass.
Patience, you see.
Yes.
And patience. Until we become patient.
Doctor, you can see how worried my husband is. He can't even leave her side for 1 minute. Eh? What is going on? Is she going to be fine? Is she going to be alright? Is everything okay?
Yes. Though she's still unconscious. You see, the young lady is somehow depressed and wanted to take her life. That explains the reason she ran onto the road to be killed. But thank God, that didn't happen.
Lord, I thank you. How can a young lady like that be depressed? That bad?
These things happen. But you did well to bring her to this place. We shall find out her identity when she regains consciousness.
So what you're saying now is that she's going to be fine and everything is okay?
Definitely she will.
So we can go home?
Yeah, we'll do our best.
Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. But please do everything you can just to keep her. Please.
We'll do our best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Alright, take care.
I'll check on you tomorrow.
No problem, I'll be waiting.
Hey, Ngozi.
My sister.
Sister Franca and her husband not attend service today.
Me too, I didn't see them and they have never missed service before. I wonder what happened.
I suggest we go and visit them and find out what happened.
Maybe I would have gone, but the only 200 I have with me, I have spent it on those beggars on the gate.
I saw the way his friend or his brother was calling you after service today.
My dear, I don't know why those two are disturbing me. Eh? You know me now, I fired them. I just pitied them and gave them the 200 that I have with me.
Anyways, I don't do things like that.
I don't understand.
Let's go to Sister Franca's house.
I couldn't find the paper. When I go back home, I will ask my son to help me look for it.
Okay, Iweka, my friend. There's no problem at all. No problem.
But that's not the actual reason I am here. Have you heard or seen Teresa's daughter again?
I've not seen her. The last time she came here was the very last I saw her.
Okay. Don't you think we should go to the prison to confirm what she told us about her mother?
Are you trying to say that she lied to me?
It's possible. It's possible that she must have escaped from the prison. Anything is possible.
I think you are making sense. We shall go to the prisons, but we will not go alone.
Yes.
We have to invite more of our people so that we go there in mass.
I think I agree there with you. That makes sense.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Wonder shall never end. What is she doing there? What happened to her? Eh? And who brought her to that hospital? Hi! I can't wait to get her. Let me start going.
My friend, my daughter is yet to come back. She went to visit her friend who was hospitalized at the city.
And we expect her to be back so soon?
She left here since morning. Early in the morning she left.
Papa.
Oh, here she comes.
Good afternoon, Uncle.
Oh, good afternoon. Welcome, my daughter.
Papa, are you going now?
Yes. What about your friend?
She's fine. There is something I would want us to talk about. Can we see outside?
Can't it wait till I come back?
No, Papa. I will be very, very brief.
work out like my daughter just told me now that she saw Teresa's daughter in the hospital where she visited her friend.
Are you joking?
I'm not joking, no. It's better we go to see the chairman right now because she has told me the name of the hospital and I know the hospital in question.
Guy, have you spoken to your mother?
Not yet. But I'll call her today.
But what?
I just want to concentrate first, because I know if I call her, it must be about returning back home. Where am I? What am I doing? I don't need that for now.
And what if this lasts for a very long time?
I don't mind. Whatever it will take me to achieve this, I'm game, bro.
You're serious, aren't you?
I'm dead serious, bro. Peace of mind is what I'm looking for. Boy, drink this Gary, I will finish them.
Well, I know you're really hungry. I take them easy now. The way they take back the Gary.
I'm sure I'm supposed to pack him.
Her name is Stella. Our daughter. We heard that she was admitted in this hospital.
Stella?
Oh, yes.
Stella Carfor. She is my late brother's daughter.
Okay. Let me speak with the nurses to know the patient that we are admitting.
You must be strong in spirit for you to make it. For you to achieve all you must be strong. You must be strong for you to make it. You must be strong. You must be strong in spirit for you to make it in this life. You must be strong.
She's still sleeping.
Spirit for you to make it.
Is that why your face is like this?
My love, I am so worried about her. And I'm also anxious to hear her story. Only God knows what she has been through.
It's all right. Let's wait until we hear from her. Okay?
But no matter what, she has to stay with us for a while. Please.
How can we harbor someone we know little or nothing about?
My love, does it matter? Eh? She is helpless and we can't send her away. Why are we Christians, please? You are not talking.
Well, let's wait until we hear her story, okay?
You must be strong in spirit for you to make it. For you to achieve all you must be strong. You must be strong for you to make it. You must be strong. You must be strong in spirit for you to make it in this life. You must be strong in spirit for you to make it in this life. My dear, believe you can make it in this life that your heart desires. must achieve it, no matter the ups and downs. You must achieve it.
My daughter knows who she saw. The day she came to your house, she saw Teresa's daughter, I'm sure. She's the one.
Then why did they tell us in the hospital that no one like that was admitted there in the hospital?
Maybe they don't want our people to see her.
How did they know about us then?
What if Teresa's daughter have told them that?
You have a point there.
Yeah, what do we do?
Let us go back to the hospital.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
You must be strong in spirit for you to make it your. For you to achieve all you must be strong. You must be strong for you to make it. You must be strong. You must be strong in spirit for you to make it your in this life. You must be strong in spirit for you to make it your in this life. My dear, believe.
You don't know me from anywhere, but you saved my life. And you still brought me to your house. Thank you.
Look, you don't need to thank us, okay? We thank God that you are alive. Now tell me, how are you feeling now?
I feel very alright, sir.
We thank God for saving your life, my sister.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I tried to take my life. I'm sorry you had to see that. It's just that life had no meaning for me anymore.
Come on. You don't need to apologize. You've been forgiven a long time ago.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now, tell me, why were you trying to take your life?
Please speak to us. Tell us. We are family now.
It all started 18 years ago.
Oh my love, it's not like that. It's me, oh. It's me, Teresa, the all-weather Teresa. I can handle it. Come on. Okay, just come to the bar in the evening and we'll have it sorted out. Alright. I'll see you in the evening. Bye. Whew. Stella, are you alright?
Mom, I want us to talk.
Is that why your face is like that? Talk to me.
I'm not happy. Since you promised to take me to the village to see my father, you have not done anything.
Stella, I have changed my mind about that. I mean, I don't know why you're so worried about a useless man who doesn't care about you. Okay, how many times has he called just to check on you and know how you're doing?
But Mom, he's still my father.
Your father? That man does not love you. Haven't I been there for you? Haven't I been caring for you? Please just forget about that man. He doesn't love you. Hello, Jessie.
Madam Tessie, Madam Tessie.
Hey.
Madam Tessie, the general. The worldwide Madam Tessie won't get everything.
Mike. Odogunwoke, I can see that you're in a very high spirit today.
Yes, so I do always active now. I'm always, you know.
You're welcome.
Madam Tessie, this is your daughter and a machine now.
Mike, are you here for me or for my daughter?
Madam Tessie, I'm here for you, but is your daughter there available? Is she available now?
My daughter is available, but at a very high cost.
Ha! You not tell me say you don't put her for the business now. Is she in the business now?
Do you want my daughter or not?
I want. I'm ready to pay any amount. I will do transfer.
Then consider her yours for tonight. But you have to make the transfer immediately before somebody else books her for the night.
She's not a hot cake now.
Are you in?
I'm in. What's the price? Hi.
Stella. You're not done.
Yes, I'm still watching.
Okay, I want you to listen very carefully and mark every word I'm about to say.
Mom.
Yes?
Why are you sounding like this? Is there anything the matter?
Not at all. See, there's something I want you to do for me. I know that you will not fail me, but make me proud.
Mom, what is it? You know, I'm ready to do anything just to make you happy.
Oh, that's my daughter. Okay, turn around for me.
I should turn around.
Yes, you know you are beautifully endowed. Just turn for mommy, okay? Wow, you are so beautiful.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so tell me, what do you want me to do for you?
Okay, I'll tell you.
Stella. She really looks beautiful. Just like her mother. She's going to be mine tonight. I really paid heavily for her.
Why is this man taking me home? My mother asked me to do whatever he asked me. I thought he's my mother's male friend. So why me?
My daughter, remember what I told you about the man you're going home with tonight? Good. Please comply with him, okay? I will get you a new phone tomorrow. Of course, I'm serious. All right there. Good night. I love you. Bye. Whew.
Hello, baby. How are you?
Please, Jerry.
What is it?
You're asking me what happened. Did you not book an appointment with me yesterday? You kept me here all alone waiting for you.
I'm sorry, okay? In fact, that's the reason I'm here. Alright? I'm sorry.
You're so sorry. You're so sorry. After you've gone to see all those useless girls you think are better than me.
It's alright. Just calm down, okay? Calm down. I'm here now, alright? I'm here and I'm here for you.
Before I will calm down, you have to pay me for last night. You even switched off your phone. Do you think I don't know your tricks? In fact, someone is already on his way to pick me and take me home.
It's okay, it's okay. I'll pay, alright? I'll pay. In fact, you can have everything. You can have it just to make you happy, you know.
How much is here?
It was supposed to be the usual amount, but I doubled it. I hope you're cool now.
Now you're talking.
You're cool now, right?
You're talking now.
I can see your smile.
Oh my goodness, Jerry. You really made me angry. Oh.
It's fine. I'm sorry. I won't do that again, okay?
Stella, 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 Stella.
Let it not be what I'm thinking. How could my mom lure me into this?
You are now on the street. You are now a street girl.
Hey, Asa, how are you now? Oh yeah, go and shower, let's get down to business. Sharp. What's it called?
Please, I want to go home. Take me home.
Why? Didn't your mother tell you?
She didn't tell me anything. Please, I just want to go home.
Why are you acting up? Go bath, no, start this thing now. Fast.
I'm not acting up, please. I want to go.
You want to go where? This is not the agreement me and your mother had. Like, come on, go and shower, let's... Call her, also, so... Which guy...
What is it?
My daughter is calling.
Before the time for her to call is now.
Hold on, let me just find out why she's calling. Have I disappointed you before?
I just hope she's not trying to distract me about...
No, she's not. Let me find out, okay? I will join you.
Alright, she knows the room.
I know the room, don't worry.
I'll wait you.
Alright.
Be good, okay?
I will. Hello, baby girl. Why? I told you to... Stella, calm down. Just comply with him. He's not going to harm you. Can you listen to me? Hello? Hello, Stella?
Baby, I'm waiting.
I'll be with you in a minute. Stella, why have you chosen to embarrass me this way?
Mom, I can't do it. I can't sleep with a man I do not know. I know he must have paid you, but I can't. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? My mates are in school. Why you refuse to send me to school? Why?
Stop crying.
You took me away from my father.
Your father does not care about you. I do.
You care about me?
Of course I do.
Is that how you care about your only daughter? Your only child, Mom? By turning me into a prostitute like you are? Well, since that's what you want, let it be. But I promise you one thing. You are going to regret this. You are going to regret this, Mom.
What kind of insult was that? You gave me assurance and I paid fully for her. What did I get at the end in insult?
Mike, please calm down. Come and sit down. Let's talk about this. Let's talk it over.
There's nothing to talk over, madam. Are you hearing me? There is nothing to talk over. What I paid for, give it to me. Let me live here.
That's why I said you should sit down now. Let's talk about this. At least hear me out.
See, the only language I understand now is let her follow me. And there is no refund. I don't want any refund. Let her follow me.
Mike, why are you acting up? I said you should sit down. Let's talk about this. And you're here shouting. Will this shouting solve this matter? What is it?
There's no point quarreling over all this. I'm ready to go with him since that's what you want.
My daughter.
Mom, I have made up my mind. I want to go with him.
Not like this.
Shall we?
No.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Let's go. What I paid for.
I have done it at last, and now there is no going back on it. Just like my mother, I'm going to be a renowned prostitute. That's what she wants for her only child.
Stella, 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 Stella.
Baby, what is it? Why are you not sleeping, huh?
And how is that your business? If I sleep or not?
Sorry, sorry. No?
Better.
Oh, Stella. Oh, Stella. Stella.
That was how my mother and I spent time in jail. She died 15 years ago of a fever, while I was granted a state pardon by the state government. I tried to go back to prostitution, but I couldn't bring myself to do it. And so I decided that it was better off if I killed myself than be alive and feel all this void and pain.
No. God will not allow that. You will not die. You will not die. You see, God has saved your life. You were once lost, but God in His infinite mercy has found you.
No, He hasn't found me. I'm haunted day and night by my past. I just want to join my mother. I'm better dead than alive.
Please, don't you ever say that again.